Hello everybody. If you have a BMW X5 and are worried about water in the right rear or left rear electronic compartments, this video is for you. This is the tailgate control module in an X5 and it's located right here in the bottom right hand corner. And it's common for water to collect in this compartment here and destroy this control module. The symptoms are the power tailgate will not open or close automatically from the appropriate buttons. And I have a couple of suggestions for you. The suggestions I have pertain to those of you who have already repaired this or are worried that you're going to have a problem here, since the problem is quite common. The first thing I would recommend is after you've replaced it, you can either seal the compartment with silicone. There are some seams along here. Seal this whole lower section here. That way if you do get water in the tailgate, it won't take out your electronics. Two, you could put this in a very, very heavy duty plastic bag, slide it back inside its holder right here. Or thirdly, you could put a very inexpensive water sensor alarm. I'll show you that here in just a moment. But before I leave this page, the source of my water was not the two drains that are located here, the two rear drains. The source of my water leak on the right hand side was right here. I don't have a view of it on the right hand side, but the left hand side here is exactly the same as the right hand side. There's a grommet that goes here, and the wiring from the tailgate spindle drives come through a rubber boot, and that rubber boot's got a grommet on the end of it which engages the body. The source of my water leak was right here. Water was running either out the drains or off the roof. And even though this is raised up slightly, it's not raised up high enough to keep a heavy amount of water from getting under that grommet, flowing down inside the D-pillar, and eventually down into the compartment here, specifically in my case on the right hand side. So flow down inside the D-pillar, come through the equivalent hole on this side, flow down the D-pillar, actually would come down the inside of the body and then drip to the lowest spot. So let me show you one inexpensive way of monitoring this situation if you're worried about it happening again. For less than $2.50, you can buy this water level alarm. And I'll show you in a moment how to get it for less than $2.50. But essentially you would place the sensor right here in a low section of that compartment that collects water. When water appears there, this alarm is going to go off and it's going to let you know. So it's pretty cheap insurance for a module that I think used is in the $150 range more or less, and new is a lot more than that. So for $2.50 you can buy yourself a little bit of insurance, and if you want to protect both sides for $5 you could do it. So let me show you how you buy this for less than $2.50. The first thing you want to do is to create a TopCashBack account, and I would really appreciate it if you would use the referral link below. It helps me out a lot, and if this helps you, this is your way of helping me. So step one, create yourself a TopCashBack account. The way TopCashBack works is you create an account, and then from there you browse, whether it's on eBay or Home Depot or Lowe's or Advance Auto or Walmart or many other merchants. You shop, make your purchase, and TopCashBack tracks your purchase and sends you a cash rebate. So step one, create your TopCashBack account. Step two, create an account for yourself at AliExpress.com. Again, I would appreciate you using my referral link. So once you've created your AliExpress account, go to TopCashBack. Log into your TopCashBack account right here. And once you're in your TopCashBack account, just go up here and put the store that you want to make your purchase from. So AliExpress, eBay, Macy's. Here's a great way to get an additional discount on all your online purchases. 6% cash back. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click it again. And TopCashBack will now direct me to AliExpress. And now TopCashBack is going to keep track of my AliExpress purchases. As you can see here, I'm already signed in to my AliExpress account. And I'll just start doing my shopping.